Today, I want to dive right into a mini crash course style video on how to do a speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. If your footage is 60 frames or higher, this is going to be more fun for your speed ramping because you're going to be able to add that slow-mo footage into the mix. This is a quick and basic way to do this, so once I give you the tools and you know how to do it, get creative, have fun, and make it exactly what you want it to be. We have two clips. The idea is to show off the property and surrounding area in a fun visual way. Once you have your chosen clips in the timeline, select the first one and press Command R. Click this drop-down arrow, speed ramp up from 0%. You can also do the opposite. This is just how I've played around with this. Now we have all these speed points. I want to start it fast, slow down, speed up, slow down, then speed up and out into the next clip. Now find the point that you want to slow down. Click the arrow, add speed point. Now you see these points to the left, click the arrow and change the speed to 400 for now. You can put this one back to 100% or drop it for slow-mo, that's up to your preference. Squish these arrows together and that'll speed the sections up even more. Okay, I want it a little bit quicker, so I'll move these back more. All right, looks good. For the next fast section, let's change the speed from 50% to 400. Squish it down so it's even faster. Add another speed point by clicking the arrow, add speed point. Then change the speed to 400 and squish this other point a little bit more to speed it up. Let's change this 100% area to 400 and squish it so it's a little faster. Play it back and make even further adjustments as needed. Once that's good, let's find the next speed up area and add a speed point. Let's go halfway into this fast area and add another speed point. Squish these points down so they're fast, play it back, and adjust as needed until you get the right amount of speed. Now grab clip number 2 and we'll do the same thing. Select the clip, Command R, drop down, speed ramp up from 0%. Go to the area you want to slow down, make a speed point, and let's change the speed of these ones to 400% so we can squish them together and make it even quicker. Once you like the speed, go to the next fast section. Add speed points as needed, change the speed, and squish them together until it's to your liking. Now line the two clips up, make speed adjustments to the end of clip number 1 and beginning of clip number 2 to make them flow nicely together. And then you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below and drop a comment as to what you'd like to see next. I'll see you next time with another tutorial.